Racing just started. We have personal file break. Weekly restart. Moving a party outside. Luna Rosa. Senior Cricket. 11 and Queen comes next. River Gulch is feeding Maki. Yes, Joey. Chapel Guard while Supra is the ready trailer going along for the first turn. We have personal file by our length and a half. Luna Rosa is right behind in second. Senior Cricket is racing in third. Moving a party outside is Speedy Makia, River Gulch, 11 and Queen, Chapel Guard, Supra, while yes, Joey now racing in less half mile distance. They traveled. We have personal file by our ahead. Moving a party outside, Luna Rosa is Speedy Maki, Senior Cricket, 11 and Queen comes next, River Gulch, Chapel Guard, Supra, well yes, Joey still racing in less. Another part turn. The lead now belongs to Speedy Maki by a length and a half. Luna Rosa in second. Personal file. Moving up now on the outside. Senior Cricket. 11 and Queen. Chapel Guard comes next. Then followed by River Gulch. Yes, Joey and Supra. And as they swing for home, where is Speedy Maki by about 2 lengths. Personal file in second. Luna Rosa is on the outside with about 100 meters of the race. We have Speedy Maki, followed now by Senior Cricket, and final Speedy Maki, Senior Cricket, Luna Rosa, yes, Joey, 11 and Queen, and personal file.